Hello, my name is Yanis Andreou, and today we're going to discuss how to determine home affordability and whether we should make a purchase taking into account a more conservative approach. Let's use as variables a home value of $600,000, a mortgage amount of $400,000, a gross income of $70,000 and a net income of $55,966, and see how we can come to two different conclusions. First of all, let's look at what traditional banking is using for the gross debt service calculation, which normally is 39% maximum for someone with credit score over 680, and the total debt service calculation is at 44%. Let's take a mortgage annual payment amount of $22,017.12 based on the mortgage we selected, property taxes of $3,000 annually, gas and hydro of $1,200. The qualifying expenses for the calculation of the gross debt service is $26,217.12. Now, the gross income used to qualify us is $70,000. If we divide the qualifying expenses into the gross income, we arrive at the 37.45% gross debt service ratio, which is acceptable by banks. Let's look now at the more conservative calculation of the home debt service. The mortgage annual payments are $22,017.12, property tax is $3,000, gas and heating expense $1,200, electricity $1,200, water and waste $1,800, home insurance $1,200, and the RMR budget, repairs, maintenance, and renovations that are crucial to the survival of the home and your prosperity, about $8,400 based on 1.4% of the fair market value of your home. Total qualifying expenses, $38,817.12. Net income, $55,966. We're not going to take gross income, that basically is going to fudge the numbers. We're going to take net income, which is more conservative. So in this case, we have qualifying expense of $38,870.12 into $55,966, and we come up with a home debt service ratio of 69.36%. And the hardline rule of thumb is this: if the home debt service ratio is greater than 55%, a home is really unaffordable, despite of what the banking rules say, if you don't want to really pressure yourself and have enough disposable income to live a comfortable life. This is a more conservative calculation that will allow you to account for expenses that are real and should be taken into account. If you have any questions on this analysis, feel free to contact me for further information. Thank you and have a wonderful day.